guys, I really hope you guys are loving our hats, right, this morning. So welcome back. The game Pictionary. The inspiration is Christmas. So we take turns, picking a Christmas carol from the bowl and drawing clues for the other to guess the carol. Are you guys ready?
Ready?
Are you like me now?
Oh, Lord, I feel like I just need a broom.
Who going first? Debbie.
Go first. No, go first. You're closest to the bowl.
I feel like that was a setup.
No, all right, fine, fine.
No, it's all right. Go on. It's all right. Go on. Wait, no. Okay, so my number is 8. So I draw first, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You see what you're drawing though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, go.
Okay.
Talia, have a whole heap of space now. Do not be measly with this something. Go on. What in the name of the Lord? What is that? Peanut. Person. Mariah Carey. All I want for Christmas is you. Chestnuts roasting on an open flame.
No. This look like a what? What this look like?
A child?
This look like a what?
Virgin Mary.
No,
baby.
girl.
It's a baby. It's a girl baby.
All right, so Mary is right. Mary's a? No.
Mary didn't have. Yes, Mary didn't. Yeah, Mary had a lamb. For real, she did. I don't know.
How much draw
okay. 8. Wow, my producer is confirming that there's nothing wrong in me not knowing this. Because it is not representing anything at all. She put what is this?
This is a lip. This is a lip.
That's
right?
a lip?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Have you seen your lip? Does it
You
look
know
like
it's
that?
song is a
Okay,
lip.
come,
This is a woman and this is Santa Claus.
Kiss.
Yeah, but I don't know. I can't.
Okay, next. All right, can you give up? Give up, please. Oh, Joy.
No, that's not what's on my paper.
Okay.
No, my number 8 says I saw mommy kissing Santa Claus.
So where was Santa Claus in this?
This is Santa Claus, seem like a sleigh. A Santa this man, seem him hot.
Let me hold on to my hat, Lord. I need the broom.
And this is the lady, which is mommy.
Yeah, that's Santa Claus?
This is Santa.
Okay, all right, cool. All right, I got number 10. Oh, Lord, Jesus. All right, fine.